Seneca, Stoic philosopher, asserts, "The true departure begins when you choose to change your inner perspective." In this end-of-year period, let's take the time to reflect on our own conflicts, misunderstandings, and sources of division. Let's opt for peace, understanding, and reconciliation, because it is in doing this inner work that we can truly aspire to a new beginning and a more balanced and fulfilling life. Subscribe to our channel to support our work, because this video was made with love and affection for you. Listen to this video until the end, and you will make your own decision. Let's begin. In the tumultuous history of Emma's family, tensions and misunderstandings were commonplace. Factions formed, hatred set in, and each day seemed to bring its share of conflict. Family relationships were laden with resentments accumulated over the years, creating a toxic environment that threatened to tear the family apart. As the year drew to a close, the patriarch of the family felt the weight of persistent conflict. Aware that division was a poison undermining family happiness, he made the courageous decision to organize a family meeting. The goal was clear: to resolve issues, dispel misunderstandings, and establish peace within Emma's family. During this family gathering, members expressed their feelings, shared frustrations, and articulated their aspirations. It was a challenging but essential moment to heal past wounds. Coming out of this meeting, Emma's family realized that the true power of transformation lay in their ability to turn the page. A new beginning was decided upon. The family committed to leaving behind resentments and old quarrels. They chose to start anew, instilling values of respect, understanding, and love. Each family member became aware of their responsibility in building a healthy family environment. This story resonates with us, inviting us to engage in deep introspection in our own lives. Whether in our family, professional, or romantic relationships, it is sometimes necessary to step back, evaluate our past actions, and decide to turn the page. Like Emma's family, we have the power to choose a new beginning, reorganize our priorities, and build more fulfilling relationships. To start afresh in life, it is essential to adopt positive habits that foster personal growth and well-being. Here are 8 habits you can practice to initiate this new beginning. 1. Practice daily gratitude. Taking a moment each day to express gratitude can have a significant impact on our emotional well-being. By focusing on the positive aspects of life, we cultivate an optimistic perspective. It can be as simple as noting 3 things for which you are grateful. This habit grounds attention in the present, fostering a positive attitude toward life. 2. Set realistic goals. Establishing clear and realistic goals creates a roadmap for personal success. Whether in career, relationships, or personal projects, well-defined goals offer clear direction. It is essential to break down these goals into achievable steps, transforming ambitious aspirations into tangible actions. This habit encourages constant motivation and allows celebrating small victories on the path to progress. 3. Cultivate patience. Patience is a virtue that promotes resilience in the face of challenges. By accepting that change takes time, you reduce the pressure and stress associated with immediate expectations. Cultivating patience allows persevering through difficult moments, offering a more balanced perspective. This habit encourages the gradual construction of sustainable successes rather than quick fixes. 4. Practice positive communication. The way we communicate profoundly influences our relationships. By adopting a positive approach in our interactions, promoting active listening, and choosing encouraging words, we contribute to a healthy relational environment. Positive communication helps resolve conflicts constructively, strengthening bonds with others. This habit creates a virtuous circle where kindness begets mutual understanding. 5. Take care of physical well-being. Prioritizing physical well-being is an essential pillar for starting anew. This includes balanced dietary choices, regular physical activity, and sufficient sleep. Taking care of the body creates a solid foundation for mental health, fostering clarity of mind and resilience in the face of daily challenges. This habit contributes to an overall balance between body and mind. 6. Practice self-compassion. The practice of self-compassion involves treating your own mistakes and challenges with kindness. Rather than self-criticizing, it is about talking to oneself as one would with an understanding friend. Practicing self-compassion develops a positive attitude toward oneself, fostering emotional resilience and the ability to overcome difficult moments. This habit creates an encouraging and constructive internal dialogue. 7. Cultivate personal discipline. Personal discipline involves establishing routines and habits that support your goals. This can include time management, creating a productive morning routine, or implementing effective work habits. By cultivating personal discipline, you reinforce consistency in your actions, helping you stay focused on your priorities. This habit contributes to creating a daily structure that promotes productivity and personal fulfillment. 8. Surround yourself with positivity. Consciously choosing to surround yourself with positive people is a habit that directly influences your emotional well-being. Positive relationships nourish your energy and inspire you to achieve your goals. It is important to create a social circle that encourages and supports you. This habit allows you to benefit from the constructive influence of your environment, fostering an optimistic mindset and sustainable personal growth. Thank you for joining me on this enriching journey once again. I eagerly anticipate sharing more inspiring content with you in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell to stay connected.